mixture and their separation methods. What did I say?
Mixture and their separation method.
Yes, mixture and their separation methods. Now, before we talk about mixture, we want to understand what mixture is called. Mixture is when you add two different or more substances together. And we have gari, sugar, and your granuts, then you apply water, you chip in some coconut, you are making a mixture. You are mixing different substances together. So from the word mix, you have the mixture. Do you understand? But today we want to be looking at separation method basically. How to separate these mixtures. You have different methods of separation. It depends on their substance level. What did I say? So here we have water, we have sieve, we have oil, we have gari, we have rice mixed with salt, we have sand. Yes, because we want to be looking at different separation methods. First on the board we have filtration method. What did I say?
Filtration method.
Yes. This can be gotten by mixing sand and water together. So we are going to be applying the mixture of sand and water. And we are going to be separating these two mixtures or substance by filtrating. By what?
Filtrating.
This is a filter. What did I say?
Filter.
This is a filter. So you use filter to separate the solution of sand and water. So let's do this together. We're going to be applying a little quantity of sand. Can you see it? I have sand in the bowl. So I'm going to be mixing it with water. Is sand going to melt in water?
No.
Why?
Because it's not sand.
It's insoluble. It's not something that can melt. It's insoluble. It's not something that will melt. Yes, they are insoluble substance. Sand is an insoluble. Sand is an insoluble. Sand is an insoluble. Unlike sugar, unlike salt that will dissolve in water, sand will not dissolve. You know the water was crystal clear, but we are having a lightish brown water. Can you see it? It's no longer crystal clear. But we can separate this sand from the water. By what? Filtration. What did I say?
Filtration.
So watch as I do this now. So I'm pouring the water through the sieve. Can you see it?
Yes.
What do I have remaining?
Sand.
What do I have remaining?
Sand.
And I have my colored water here. Can you see it? I have my water here. That's filtration. So we've performed the first method. Is decantation method. This is pouring off liquid to leave the solid behind, water and mud, just the same way as we've done this. But you know mud is going to make the sand mold. So in place of mud, I'm going to be using gari. In place of mud, I'm going to be using gari. Now this solution is going to make this substance that I have here mold. It's going to make it mold. By the time I filtrate the water out of gari, I'm not going to be having this substance again like this form. It's going to be dry, but it's going to be glued together because of the help of water. It's going to get stick together. So I have gari in this bowl, and I'm going to apply water. I have gari in this bowl, and I'm applying water. Can you see? After mixing gari and water in place of mud, so I'm mixing gari and water together. By the time I start to filtrate this also, I won't have gari as dry as it was at the original state. What did I say? Gari as dry as its original state. It's going to be molded together because this substance, the dry gari we have, its original form was dry, but because of the application of water, it's going to soften the substance. Unlike the previous one we had, which was insoluble. This one is soluble, but it's not going to be completely soluble, yes. But it's going to change the component of the gari to become thicker. It's going to stick together. So I'm going to filtrate the water out of Gary. Now I have just Gary, but you can see the texture. Can I take it and sprinkle it the way I did earlier?
No.
I can't. Can you see? It's smooth. I still have little amount of water in it. By the time I press it, this is what I'm going to be getting.
Yes.
Can you see it? It's going to mold like this. Can you see it?
Yeah.
So it's going to mold like this. Can you see this?
Yes.
Solid. So we have solid materials and we want to be separating them. Now this is rice mixed with stones. They are both solid. We don't need the application of water in this. They are a mixture of solid. When we have beans at home, my mom says, I want to make beans for dinner. Pick the stones out of the beans. They are both solid material, so you have to look closely to pick out stones. So I'm going to be passing this one after the other. I don't want you to rush. Quietly, quietly, you pick out a stone each for me. Pass. So this is picking solids, separating solids. Do you understand me? Stone from rice, stone from beans, shafts from beans. Can you see that? It's easier to locate and to separate them. We have some stones that are crystal, so you have to look closely for you to see it. Can you see them? Pass, pass, quickly, quickly, quickly. Let's be quick, let's be quick, let's be quick.
Not me, Victor also.
So that's a separation of solids because they are both solids. Do you understand me? Thank you very much. So, water and oil. What did I say?
Water and oil.
Water and oil. These two components look alike. The only difference is because this is oil. No, I can use groundnut oil also. So it's not going to dissolve because these two are different. Do you understand me? So I'm going to apply water first. So to help the oil to float. If I should apply oil first, it's going to stick to the bottom.
And not
Please move to your seat, please. So we're applying just a little drop.
oil. It's from wood. It's not as so. Something like blood.
Can you see it? I was avoiding it not to stick to it, but it still did. Now let's see how you can filtrate this substance. Now probably I want to make use of this water, but this oil in it, would I be able to filtrate it with sieve?
No.
What if I boil it?
Yes.
I will get it out completely.
Yes.
Is it possible?
No.
It's not possible. I will only leave it and I collect it in bits. Can you see it? Can you see it? It's sticking to the spoon, but I'm collecting it. So I probably get a napkin to clean off this that I've collected and pick the rest till I finish picking it out. Do you understand me? Yes. We have some that we have to boil. You can give me an example of the separation method that we have to boil before we can get substance. Water and salt, a round of applause for her. Yes, for you to get salt back from water. You know salt and water is going to dissolve in it. But when you boil it, to the extent that that water will dry completely, you will get your salt back. Like water and sugar. By the time you boil it, you are going to get your salt back. It's going to stay at the brim, at the edge part of your pot. Do you understand me? Yes, then we have the magnetic separation. Yes. If you want to pick nail from the floor, what are you going to use?
Magnet.
You are going to use magnet to help you pick, to separate stone
You
from
can
iron.
use scissors.
Scissors, you also need a magnet to be attached to that scissors. Because the magnetic force in a magnet will stick to the scissors and it will help you attract nails from the ground or any other metal. Then we also have hand picking. Yes, we've done that. The hand picking method, that was the sand and stone. Yes. So thank you very much. That's the end of separation method. Yes.
I thought